Hi, welcome to AI Chip Tech. My name is Rochelle. I specialize in semiconductors. I am a recruiter, got my start in Silicon Valley. We are in Dana Point today. It's beautiful, as you can see. And we are going to be talking about chips that are made from not from silicon, but from glass, actually. And they are going to be conducting our data much faster. It won't bend the material. And we're going to be able to charge up our phones in 1 minute, and they're going to last for a week. It's going to be great. If you are looking for a new job, I'm starting a new channel called Rochelle the Recruiter, so look out for that. And you'll be able to also connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you're looking to staff up your engineering team, you can also reach out to me. I do Contingency, and we also do RPO, which is outsourcing, and I have a whole team behind me. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hey there, science fans. Today at AI Chip Tech, we're looking in on the new horizon for semiconductors. We're talking about our devices being powered by glass. You heard me right, glass semiconductors. For decades, silicon has been the king of the semiconductor world. But silicon has its limits. That's where glass comes in. These glass semiconductors have amazing properties for next-gen electronics. They handle more power, are less prone to overheating, and they are transparent. Who wants their cell phone charged in 1 minute? That is what these can do. The future of computing is going to be with this special glass, and it will be transparent in so many ways. Now, let's break down the science a bit. What makes glass semiconductors so different from their silicon counterparts? Well, it all comes down to how electrons move through the material. Silicon, like most metals, conducts electricity pretty well, but glass is an insulator in its natural state. It resists the flow of electricity. That is why you don't get shocked when you touch a window. However, scientists have discovered ways to tweak the structure of certain types of glass, adding tiny impurities to transform them into semiconductors. These modified glasses can conduct electricity under specific conditions, just like silicon. But here's the cool part. Glass semiconductors can handle much higher voltages and temperatures than silicon. This means they can process information faster and more efficiently without melting under pressure. So yeah, that is the cool part. Think of it like this. Silicon is like a narrow city street with lots of traffic jams. Glass semiconductors are like a superhighway, allowing data to zip along the superhighway at lightning speeds. Okay, so glass semiconductors are faster and more efficient than silicon. So what? Why is that such a big deal? Well, it has huge implications for the future of computing and beyond. First off, glass semiconductors could lead to even smaller and more powerful devices. Imagine smartphones that last for weeks on a single charge. Or how about laptops that boot up instantly? This technology could revolutionize everything from electric vehicles to medical devices. Second, glass semiconductors are more durable than silicon. Now, this next part is their special sauce. They're less susceptible to damage from heat, radiation, and even physical impact. This makes them ideal for use in harsh environments like outer space or deep sea exploration. And remember how I mentioned that some glass semiconductors are transparent? That opens up a whole world of possibilities for flexible electronics, transparent displays, and even invisible implants. The future is looking pretty bright and transparent. You might be thinking, this all sounds amazing, Rochelle, but where can I see this technology in action? Glass semiconductors are already making their mark in various fields. Glass is more rigid and can handle more chips on a package, like Intel putting 4 chips on glass. Glass substrates can enable more efficient power delivery solutions and higher speed signaling. They can seamlessly integrate optical interconnects that require less power and move data more efficiently than today's copper interconnects. Glass substrates will help advance Moore's law. Glass enables 50% more die content on the same package size than organic substrates, which is crucial for AI and data center products. Intel plans to deliver complete glass substrate solutions later this decade. Now, let's talk about the companies betting big on glass semiconductors, because trust me, this isn't just a pipe dream. Some of the biggest names in tech are pouring resources into this revolutionary technology. Take Intel, for example. The chip-making giant has been researching glass semiconductors for years, and they recently announced a major breakthrough in using glass as an insulator in their processors. This could lead to significant performance and energy efficiency improvements in their future chips. Then there's Samsung, another major player in the semiconductor industry. They've been exploring the use of glass substrates for flexible displays, and they're reportedly developing new manufacturing techniques for glass semiconductors. And it's not just the tech giants who are taking notice. Startups and research institutions around the world are racing to unlock the full potential of glass semiconductors. This is happening, folks. A special thanks to Hamid Azimi, VP at Intel, pushing this forward. Here in the United States, we're fortunate to have government initiatives like the CHIPS Act supporting the development and manufacturing of semiconductors, including this game-changing glass technology. The CHIPS Act is investing billions of dollars in domestic semiconductor production, research, and workforce development. This is a huge deal for American innovation and competitiveness. I made a full video about it on my channel. The CHIPS Act has spurred investment in new facilities to meet the growing demand for high-quality semiconductors. These investments are crucial for keeping up with the increasing needs of the tech industry, and glass semiconductors are a big part of that equation. What does the future hold for glass semiconductors? There are certainly challenges to overcome. However, the potential is undeniable. Glass semiconductors could revolutionize computing and extend Moore's law. They could unlock the full potential of AI with massive data handling. We're on the cusp of a new era in computing. If you like this kind of bite-sized content, like and subscribe to keep me in your feed. Share where you can, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao, ciao for now.